Hey guys, working on my old chiropractor's furnace. Just taking a little look at it real quickly. The pilot light was out when I got here, and I'm just taking a look at this old furnace. I had to pull the burner assembly out after when I found tons and tons of debris in here. I don't know if you guys can see in there too well. So it's definitely not burning as good as it should. So I'm going to dump these out outside and see what comes out. Check the heat exchanger too.
So there's a bunch of stuff in there.
Yes, there is.
Oh, that's what it was. There's a clump of it.
Let's see here. Oh God. Yeah. It's an 80% furnace, okay? So what's going on is it takes some air from the house. And if your air is dirty or you have a bunch of lint or whatnot, it tends to dump out or gets in the airstream. So, wish I had 3 arms again, like I have mentioned many times in the past. Set my phone down now. This furnace, I believe, is from around 1989 at the very bottom there. 1989. So we're getting up there in age for 2020. This is just what I pulled out. Okay, here's... I mean, so we got a good bit of stuff here. But I'm going to sweep it out anyways just to get her up and running. We got a carbon monoxide detector, just going to check her out. So. Dancing around unusual. Blower motor is currently on at this time, but I would always check with a carbon monoxide detector just to be 100% sure. Just to show you a scale size of how much corrosion was inside the furnace. Okay, pretty good pile there, pretty good heap. Thermocouple swept it out. Always do your maintenance. That furnace is from 1989, so it's getting up there in age, but definitely carbon monoxide detector. Okay guys, have a good day, stay safe.